Hey Jana and Jack, once again, thanks for having me out here to take a look at your house to get you a quote to get the windows shined up. Down below is different packages, menu style that you can pick from, depending on the level of clean you're looking for. So let me pause this video quick. I'll show you the gutter screens that we suggest and why it's best. Okay, so we encourage a screen system like this. What we'll do is we'll slip it under your shingle, and then when the leaves land on it, it keeps the majority of this stuff out, and then we screw it to the front lip of your gutter so it stays in place forever. Like 15 to 20 years you'll be in good shape. The reason why we encourage that type of a screen system is because you'll never have to pay anybody to remove that screen system. If there's anything that's impeding the gutters, we install them in a way that keeps all the animals out and hopefully all the debris, but you're still going to get small stuff sticking in there, getting down in there, and hopefully it just flushes through the gutter and into the downspout. But there is no maintenance-free gutter screen solution out there. So what we tell our clients is once every 3 to 5 years, have us out here and we'll power flush with our power washer right over top of the screens, and you'll be set to go there without having to deal with any of that. Having to pay me to remove the screens and clean out on them and then reinstall them. That's kind of an unnecessary expense. Here's a downspout filter. This sits in your gutter like this, right over a downspout. And even though your gutter may fill up with debris, it has 132 holes to allow water to flow all the way out of the downspout and flow all the water out. And it keeps stuff from going into your underground drain. So if you go with the screen system, you don't necessarily need to have this. But if you decide not to do the screen system, you're going to have to clean your gutters once to twice a year. And this is a great in-between solution to make sure that your gutters are always flowing. So when it comes to your brick paver patio there, when we clean that up, it's suggested that you get it, the sand back in the grooves so that you don't see any of the settling in the pavers. I noticed that you had some cottonwood stuff on your back patio screens there, so we can scrub that with a brush and rinse down your screens really well with a low volume washer and get that rinsed out for you. We do offer low pressure detergent washing, and it's really perfect for log homes because our algicide breaks down any mold or green algae, spider webs, bug guts, and we can rinse all that down safely from the ground without any high pressure or ladders. So our window cleaning, a little bit about window cleaning. I'm sorry about the long video here, but this brush right is our special cool fancy window cleaning brush, and we have all kinds of fancy filters and messy truck right now. But when we clean your windows on the outside of the house with our purified water-fed pole window cleaning technology, your windows are going to stay cleaner way longer because we're not actually cleaning your windows with soap and water and squeegee, hopefully maybe even leaving streaks and stuff. This is impossible for us to leave streaks because we're only cleaning with water. When the water dries, your windows turn out crystal clear. And then when we step into your home, we'll wear the fancy little booties and make sure we take good care to wear safety protection and get those windows cleaned up for you efficiently. Depending on the package you might need, maybe you only want the glass cleaned, maybe you only want the outdoors cleaned, but we can also take care of the screens and then detail all the tracks out really nicely depending on how clean you want to get. So my name is Eddie, owner-operator of Multi-Man Services. I am on every single job, and we could spend a lot of money on marketing, advertising, and grow a ginormous company, but we make sure that we keep all of our clients super happy so that they can refer us, and so that's our goal with you. It's my goal to make you a 5-star happy customer and tell others about us. So look forward to working with you. Any questions you have about our services, don't hesitate to let me know, and look forward to working with you. Take care.